Brooklyn, and in today's video, I will be doing a slime video. And if you noticed, I have a new background, and I know I changed it like 3 times already, but this is gonna be hopefully my official background, and I'm going to be adding some more stuffed animals and some more like books and stuff to the background. But yeah, for now, this is how it looks. So, yeah. And I'm also here with a special guest.
Me!
Can you start saying your name, please?
Me!
I'm here with Kennedy.
No, I am Elizabeth.
Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and
What's up?
Okay, let's go ahead and get started. But Kennedy is also recording, so she'll also be doing some more things with me. So Kennedy.
I have to tell my video what we're doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, me and Brooklyn are recording at this slime video. See, just look, my stuff. A hole in my stuff is tied.
You're gonna have to go to her channel to see what she said she had, and yeah.
This pink glue. This yellow glue, which I really love, because yellow is my second favorite color. I have green sparkles.
Ooh, cool.
Snowflakes. Purple, dark blue.
And I'll just be showing what I have. I have
Pink sparkles.
this.
Here, I'll do it so you can do that.
Okay, so basically I have a clear glue, another clear glue, some Elmer's Magical Liquid, and over there I have some slime add-ins so I can add some things in. And so yeah, and I don't want to make too big of a slime, so I'm going to put it in this container here. So I'm not going to make that big of a slime. But, yeah.
Are you done saying your stuff, Brooklyn?
Yep, I am.
Because I am too.
Alright, anyway, so should we go ahead and get started?
So basically, yeah, because I want to try to add too much into slime.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. I'm just going to be adding a clear glue. Kennedy, this is what I have. I do have some slime add-ins over there, so I'm going to add those. But I bought these at the dollar store. And over there came with a slime kit. I don't like using store-bought slimes because they turn out usually hard. But I do like using store-bought slime add-ins because they actually work with slime like really well.
I'm going to make a pink glue with way too much stuff in it because I want to make the yellow slime like perfect.
Okay, yeah, guys, and I'm also going to let you see, so hold on. I just added one glue. One glue filled up like the whole entire slime container.
Wow.
No, like, I'm not even Kennedy. Oh my gosh, I was about to say I'm not even Kennedying. Look.
Oh, wow.
I know. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to let you go ahead and see. So, I just back up my phone holder. And there it is. Jeez, I didn't realize how annoying slime, like getting glue in slime was on a phone till today. Like on a call.
Yeah.
Look, it still looks like there's still clear glue in here.
Oh my
Guys,
gosh,
my
it's so
dream,
glue.
guys, guys, my dream slime is like I've only gotten clear glue like once, and that was from a store-bought slime. I've never made my own clear glue slime before.
You guys can see my face now because it's going to take a while to add in my pink glue.
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah, even though it's like really tiny, it has so much glue and it won't come out.
That makes sense. Is it full?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, if it's full. Oh, okay. I was about to say, if it's full, that's crazy. Alright, guys, so I'm just going to try to open up my activator.
Sorry guys, I forgot to pause, but my dad just muted me. Because my pause button wouldn't work, and that was annoying. But you could probably just hear what Brooklyn was talking about.
Yes. I wasn't talking about much, but I was talking, so. Alright, so hopefully this doesn't make a mess.
I think it's getting hollower because... What is all this ruckus?
Oh, it's the YouTube squad.
Oh, yeah. I'm still in the YouTube squad, guys.
Yep.
Who is the YouTube squad?
It's, don't say their names because, just don't say their names because we don't want to share names yet.
Yes, we'll share it in our first video, though.
Yep. Okay, so basically I'm just going to
But you'll probably know me and Brooklyn.
Yeah. We're just going to get something to mix with.
I think I almost got all the glue out. Yeah, I got all the glue out, guys.
Alright,
This is going to be so pretty. I bet you it's going to turn out to be purple because pink and blue. Oh, I just noticed.
What?
My yellow slime is going to turn green. I have a green slime, though.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to use this little pen that's like a color and it smells like fruit and stuff because it doesn't really smell anymore and I don't use it like at all. Oh, this clear slime is actually coming together really well.
I'm not using a mixing spoon, guys.
I just have to add some more activator. Come out. Isn't it weird how the magical liquid activator is thick?
The tide is so loose, but it mixes in really well, though. That's the only
You know
good
how the
thing.
magical liquid is like so thick though?
Yeah, I had magical liquid because I had a slime kit, and it took so long to mix it in with the glue, but it's such good activator.
It really is. It really
It
is.
takes a lot of mixing. But I'll be back once my slime is mixed.
Yep, and I can't be right back because since I'm on my phone, it won't let me pause for some reason, which that's weird. I'm just going to use the top as a
Can
measuring
I
cup.
put in my other hand in my slime?
Did you really? Are you already going in with your hands?
I didn't even use a mixing spoon at the beginning.
Were you using your hands?
Yeah.
That was a mistake, Kennedy.
No, because I think you'll make good views because people, for some reason, likes when I make a mess.
They like when you make a mess?
Yeah.
That's weird. Okay, well, Kennedy, please entertain the YouTube because I'll be right back.
Okay. So, yeah, guys, my slime is turning out really pretty, but you have to come to my channel to figure out how my slime is going to look. And make sure to subscribe to Gaming with Maddie if you want to. Because, like, yeah. And while you're at it, make sure to go to Kakarot Kentucky and sub with me. Because I'm awesome, too.
Okay, I am back. Were you doing self-promo?
I was saying self-promo, but I also said sub to Gaming with Maddie if you want to.
If you want to.
Yeah. That's what you
Look
say
how
in the intro.
satisfying it is. Well, I say that on my outro, not my intro.
I say my intro and my outro are the exact same things, basically. Except I say bye at my outro, and then like hi in my intro.
Who wouldn't say bye and hi? Okay, I switched bowls because the glue was making it like overflow.
The glue is making it overflow. Oh, my slime's coming together, but only one part of my slime is coming together.
I know, there's like a big blob, only part of my slime coming together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another mixing spoon thing, which I'm actually gonna use a pencil eraser.
Oh, and I have a lot of gaming videos on my channel, guys, because like I've been gaming a lot, and I've been trying to beat every level on Pinky. So,
You've
yeah,
been making videos about that, haven't you?
I have been.
Yeah. You should go subscribe to K-Girl Kentucky, like she said a while ago.
And self-promo.
Self-promo for her.
Do you hear that click?
Yeah, that's a really good click. Hey, Kennedy, look at my slide. It's coming together. Look.
I see. Oh, you're using a pencil. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
You're
I can touch it, but it's kind of getting a bit overactivated in a few spots.
And Brooklyn doesn't like getting messy.
Yeah, because if I get messy, my parents are gonna kill me. But I'm not messy with slime usually, so I am completely fine.
Do you hear that click? Tell me you hear that click.
I do. I give that like an 8 or a 9 out of 10 on my side.
It sounds amazing.
So you give it a 10 on your side?
Yeah, that one like was bad, but I have another slime. These like color glues, the washable color glues that are in the tiny container. They make amazing slimes if you mix them with Tide.
Like those little ones we hate? The ones we hate actually aren't that bad because...
Not the sparkly green.
No, look, I love the ones we hate actually now because of, guess what? If you mix those with slimes that are too thick, they make them less thick.
And they also make your slime really clicky.
Yeah, so I love those glues now. That glue isn't my pick for slime because it's not even made for slime. Listen. You know how like some parts of it when you make slime, it's like has a weird noise to it?
Yeah.
Listen. Can you hear it?
No, I cannot.
Okay, be silent, like mute, so maybe my YouTube can hear it. So just mute if you can.
I hear it.
Can you hear it, YouTube?
Mixing my slime in.
Oh my gosh, it's not messy at all. And I love this. I love it so far. Look at this. I made my dream slime, Kennedy.
Do you want to see my slime so far? Ready?
Whoa. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put this over here for a minute.
The baby is like, I think eating green peas or something.
Oh my gosh, the clicking is amazing. I just had to fix the other half of the slime. You know how it's like really clear until you add activator?
Yeah.
And there's like a whitish color, but it's so clear. Is there any activator that won't make it do that?
using Tide, and it made my blue activator with my pink and blue purple.
I know, but then the clear will be blue. The clear blue slime does sound. My arms are getting tired. My arms are getting tired from mixing.
Look at that. Whoa.
Guys, you only need 2 ingredients. If you're making a simple slime like me, you just need some Elmer's. Make sure it's Elmer's or then it will not work. Elmer's glue with Elmer's magical liquid. If you use some kind of different activator with Elmer's glue, it won't really work.
It does work.
Not really.
No, it totally doesn't work.
It doesn't. I tried it. It sucks with other glue.
I know, but
Because it's made for Elmer's glue, not glue.
I thought you were talking about other activators for Elmer's glue.
No.
You cannot use Tide with a sparkly, simply.
Yeah, you cannot use different glue with the Elmer's magical liquid because if you do, it won't mix and it'll just be like gloopy.
Do you hear that?
Listen.
Oh my god. Ready? Listen.
Oh, jeez.
Tide makes these glues like perfect.
Okay, I just had to fix this portion of my slime at the bottom.
You want to hear something funny? The Tide hasn't been changing the color of my slimes.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe because it's a little Tide.
Is someone calling you?
Yeah, spam risk.
Oh, we don't like the spammers.
Last time I answered it, it was a little kid saying hi, and I was like,
It's not spam.
I don't know, it said spam, and I answered it. My mom was there, and it was like, we just said hello, and someone said hi, and then we hung up.
That's not spam then. If
They're probably-
an actual person is talking, like a little girl or something, it's real. But if it's actually like a robot thing talking to you, like this and that, about or bye, or like yes,
Your car.
yeah, about your car, like extended warranty. It's spam. That's what my mom taught me. It's always spam if it says something about your car.
One time I answered a spam risk, and it was it wasn't a person. Someone's coming. I'm in mute.
Okay. Well, yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this little part of my thing to my slime. It's a really good.
Sorry about
Okay.
that, guys. It's not long to me.
Alright, well, basically, it's a really good slime so far, and if it's like too thick, I'll add some more glue to it to make it kind of a bit less thick. Look at this.
We're having very good luck, guys. It's like fun.
Look how pretty though. Look how pretty.
I'm actually took one for what I made yesterday. It's also
Look.
really good.
Look,
Look at that.
look.
Oh, beautiful. But look at this green one I made yesterday.
That's really pretty.
I looked at the. Wait, I have a rose. Look.
Oh, you can make a rose. Make a rose. Make a rose.
Okay, I want to make a rose. But
I
not
think
this
I added a bit too much activator to glue because it's wet and it won't come together.
And I'm not unpause because I'm waiting to finish my slime. Then unpause because.
I think I added too much activator because it's not coming together. Like I'm picking it up and stuff, but it's just like a blob.
Look at my beautiful.
Look, is this too much glue or too much activator?
Too much activator.
Okay, I'll add some more glue.
Look. Look at this.
Oh, thanks. It's fixing now. Thank you
No.
for the tip. Oh no, I think we have a little hard part.
Already? You just made this one.
A little hard part because I'm making it in like little pieces, and I think we have a little hard part. I'm adding more glue and it's making it harder. That's not supposed to happen. But look how clear.
It's so beautiful. You can see your face. Okay, I'm gonna pause my video so I can show how my slime turned out.
Okay.
Okay guys, I finished mixing my slime and it's really pretty.
Yeah, and Kennedy did pause the video, so you're gonna have to go to my channel to see what we talked about and what the slime looked like and stuff like that.
You wanna hear the crackle, guys? The crackle is amazing.
It looks really messy, guys, but this is like not messy at all. This part's kind of hard, which kind of breaks my
I'll
heart.
definitely begin with ASMR. Because I think I'll probably do my first ASMR soon.
Oh my gosh, she grew from me because she used to hate doing ASMR. But I told her how to do it and
I
stuff.
still hate it. But I never saying it's like going to be today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. She might like it when she tries it. She might want to do it every single day of her life if she likes it.
I play with slime though.
You're a slime type of girl. I'm like a slime type of girl too, but like a better slime type of girl.
No, you hear these crackles?
Oh, you want to hear mine? Look at this slime, Kennedy.
Look at this one.
Look at this slime, guys. This is basically how my slime turned
It
out.
might be clean like front ones, but still, look at that.
Mine's a bit thick, so I might have to add some like lotion and stuff to it. But it's really, really beautiful and really, really pretty.
So I'm gonna start making my yellow slime, and then I'm gonna add too much to one of the slimes. It matters which one turns out better.
Okay, so I'm just going to put this down, and now I'm just going to clean up a little bit. So I'm just going to put this stuff in and that stuff in. I still have a bunch of glue in this. I can put it in my slime.
Are you gonna start adding your add-ins, Brooklyn?
I will, once I start cleaning up my...
I'm making a mustard. This slime is a beautiful one. You show Brooklyn. You're gonna see my phone. See my phone.
Hi!
Look how pretty that is.
That's like a mustard color.
I know, I like it.
You like the mustard color?
It's a pastel yellow on my side.
It's just a mustard on my side.
I really hope it doesn't turn green because I love this color.
Oh, because the tide? The clicks are really good, so I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning up. Okay, so I just am cleaning up now. I'm going to just put this over here.
Okay guys, so basically I'm going to make this last slime. I just wanted to show you me adding in the glue. Probably going to just mix it up. And then I'm going to see which one deserves to turn into, have too much stuff into it.
Yes. Okay, well,
So,
basically,
I'm gonna mix this
Kennedy,
and-
I'm going to be, oh, look. Like right here, all the slime that came off of this is actually really, really clear and like really, really perfect. So I want to show you it. Guys, look at this. Look,
Oh,
it's a baby, really, really clear slime. Like, look at it, guys. Look how much you can see. Alrighty, guys. Look how much you can see out of this. Ready? Just stretch. Look at that. That is amazing.
Oh, and I didn't even tell Brooklyn this. Brooklyn,
Yeah?
I sprained my ankle.
You did?
Mhm.
Oh, how?
Just by walking, I tripped over my other foot.
You tripped on your foot?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Well, basically, I'm just gonna add everything into my song. Kennedy, you entertain them because I'll be right back.
Okay. So, guys, have you heard something? It's called a Chicken Nugget Squad. And what should you do to the Chicken Nugget Squad? You should join it on Adopt Me. And, yeah. All you have to do to join the Chicken Nugget Squad is subscribe, like the videos, and, yeah. And turn on post notification to get notified every time Brooklyn posts a new video. I mixed it in my yellow slime, and I'm very lucky. It did not turn into mustard. Well, and it did not turn into green. It's a pastel yellow, and it looks beautiful, guys. But you have to come to my channel to see what it honestly looks like, because I can describe it all you guys want, but you'll never see actually what it really looks like if you don't come to my channel. But you don't really have to come to my channel. I don't care if you do. But if you come to my channel, you'll still see that there's giveaways I do. I do a lot of giveaways, guys, and I even have a giveaway winner is. So yeah. I'm making a mess on my side just for you guys, so you better enjoy me making a mess. So Brooklyn is taking a long time. I wonder what she is doing. Yeah. So another thing we should do is join the Wolf Squad on Roblox and Adopt Me.
Alright, I am back.
Okay.
Did you entertain them?
Yes, I was telling them how to join the Chicken Nugget Squad.
Oh, yes, that is the best way to entertain some people. Oh, guys, and I did try to join the Chicken Nugget Squad game, and it is official. It is the new Chicken Nugget Squad game.
And that was really fun playing it because there's so much stuff to do.
There is, and we picked the second one if you didn't watch the whole video, which you should have.
It's a spoiler.
Maybe we actually picked the first. You have to go to the video and see which one we actually picked. Because I might be lying. We maybe didn't pick the second one.
Or we may have even picked the third one.
Or we may have went on to a different server, like a different game, and picked that one. So you have to go watch that video to see how many numbers there were, how many games there was to choose from, and what the games looked like.
Yeah!
There's 2 videos that says we have a new squad. One is actual people and one is an actual game. So, yeah.
Yeah, like a YouTube squad, like we're friends, and
A YouTube squad like Chicken Nugget Squad.
yeah, like she wasn't thinking when she named them.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking when I did the title of them.
But do you want want to see the slime, Brooklyn?
Yep. I can actually go edit them too. Oh, that's a really good slime. I'm just gonna go do some add-ins. So I'm just going to add this lotion in right here. It's Perfect Peony. Peony. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a flower.
Perfect Peony.
It's a flower.
Okay, I'm gonna pause my video so they can see my beauty of my slime. Okay, guys, I mixed in the slime. It took way less time to mix in, but it's beautiful. You want to see? Look at that, guys. Look.
I'm just adding a bunch of lotion onto my slime, so it's thinner and also it has some scent to it.
So we have my first slime, the pink slime, and my second slime, the yellow slime. And let's see which one is better. So click on the.
I thought you had a green slime.
I did, but that wasn't even in a video. That was just.
Oh, something you made.
Yeah.
Off
See that
camera.
clicking? And then yellow slime is.
Look how pretty! Look, Kennedy.
Oh my gosh.
Look how clear it
Crackle
is.
tails.
Oh my gosh, ready? Listen, 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 listen. Everybody, shush. Look. Ready? Shh.
I didn't hear anything.
Are you serious? That was like a 9 out of 10 thing. Guys, on the YouTube video, if you heard that, smash the like button because I want to know if you all heard it. If you didn't hear it, you don't have to smash the like button. You know what? Don't smash it. Do a little tiny tap.
Look, this is the crackle test on my yellow one.
Look how stretchy the slime is.
That's nice. Now my pink one.
Look how pretty, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go get some add-ins. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get them. Add-ins are right here. I'm just going to...
Okay, so guys, now which slime won the challenge?
Okay, we were doing a challenge.
No, on my side.
Okay.
Which one gets to see if they get ruined by all the add-ins?
Okay, Kennedy, I'm going to add in these foam balls right here.
Okay.
But to make
guys,
sure I like it, I'm just gonna get a little bit of this slime and then put it in because I want to know if I like it or not.
Now, the one I chose to add in way too much add-ins is the pink one.
You just like the yellow one too much.
Yes. It's a
Look
really
at that,
good slime.
guys. It's like a birthday cake slime.
But you never know. It may look prettier with all the add-ins. It may sound better.
Sound.
Yeah, because I have like foam.
Oh yeah, the pop and stuff. Oh, your phone just fell back.
There you go.
Look,
Okay.
Kennedy. Okay, tell me which slime you like better. Okay, this one.
On my screen.
Or
Okay, there you go.
this one.
I like the one with the foam balls.
You do? I like the normal one a bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 slimes and put one with foam balls.
Okay, guys, I am going to add my fruit into the pink slime. 3, 2, 1. And if you want to know where I got all these add-ins, it's in an advent calendar.
A slime admin calendar
Look at all
And do
this
you know where you got that slime admin calendar?
on Amazon.
On Amazon. Was there any more available ones?
There was, but they said they were only in stock until after Christmas.
Oh, so you can't get them anymore. But if you were just wondering where she got them, they're on an admin calendar at Amazon.
Okay, look at those fruit. It actually looks really cute. It's like a fruit slime. Oh. Oh. I like the feeling of that.
I don't have another slime container, but I want to make 2 slimes. What do I do?
you can't make 2 slimes if you don't have enough slime.
Oh, I'll be right back.
So I guess I'm in charge of entertaining you guys and Brooklyn's video again. Now, anything want to see the fruits at all? So I kind of regret doing that.
Sorry. So I kind of like the foam balls ones better because if I change my mind and I don't like, but this one's more stretchy than the foam ball one. Oh, it's more stretchy though.
Brooklyn fell again, so she got to sit on my bed.
But this one's more stretchy. But if I don't like it, I can just take the foam balls out. So I'm just going to put the foam balls in. Hey Kennedy,
Yeah.
can I call you back? Because it keeps saying reconnecting.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I am just going to call you back. Okay guys, I'm just going to call Kennedy back. And look at this, guys. Oh my gosh.
Anyone calls me on my mom's phone, it sounds like crickets.
Oh wow. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
It's like, it's really so weird.
I think I'm going to add in are these cute
Oh,
rainbow
hey Kennedy,
stars.
I'm gonna go ahead and mute really quick because I'm gonna be in the other room and someone actually is about to come in. So I'll be right back. So if they don't come in, because I'm gonna tell them I'm recording. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to be right back. I'm just going to tell Kennedy that my video ended because I don't have enough space. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna see what she does off camera. Or like just
So
on
I'm
her
adding
video.
in the rainbow stars, and then what do you say? Oh,
Alright Kennedy, I'm back. And oh no!
what happens?
I'm gonna have to end my video soon because the storage. Because I
Oh,
wanted
no.
to make it an hour of slime.
Well, okay, next item I'm going to add in is rainbow foam balls.
Okay, well I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro because it is already a slime and it's really cute. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all guys next time. And turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. Goodbye!
Guys forgot her outro there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot to do the piece. That sucks. Alright, well anyway,
Guys, oh my gosh, I like adding too much into the slime, because look at that, Brooklyn.
oh wow.
Okay, next thing I'm going to add, it's going to get messy once you add the glitter. So I'm going to save that for last. I don't know what these are called, but they're like little metal sheets, flakes or something.
Yeah.
I'm going to add those in now. Okay, guys, so I just
Oh,
added
we
those
should
in.
do another video after this, possibly once this posts. You want to do that?
Like what?
Maybe another slime video or like a challenge video or what do you want to do?
A challenge video sounds cool.
Or like a last to leave, possibly.
Because it kind of like quit last to leave the bed.
Yeah, we kind of quit that. It was kind of getting boring.
Yeah. So maybe we'll find a better challenge. Okay, it's getting stiffer and stiffer every time I add something in.
Oh,
Wait,
Kennedy, do I still get a yes day?
No.
Aw. From your challenge video since I won? Well, you don't have a video for it, do you?
No, I do not.
It was a last to fall asleep video. and I won.
Yeah.
And she said she got, the winner could get a yes stay.
Nice. What? Yeah, it was Brooklyn calling me back. It was Brooklyn calling me back. Oh.
Alright, yeah, anyway. So,
That was my mom, guys.
yeah, well,
Sorry, guys, my mom
look
came
how
in.
pretty, Kennedy.
So pretty, guys. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look at all these added. They're making my fingers go crazy. Like they're super shiny, but it feels so good.
Yeah, my slime's not that stretchy. What do I do, Kennedy?
I do not know.
What do you do when your slime's not that stretchy? What do you add? Or what do you
I don't
do?
really add anything. I just let it sit a little bit and
And it's not thick anymore?
yeah.
Do I have to put it in a container or?
Yeah, you have to put it in a container and let it sit. Okay, so gold stars are next, guys. Okay, it's at the gold stars. Oh my gosh.
How long has your video been, Kennedy?
It has been 21 minutes. My video has been 21 minutes.
Oh, I looked back at mine and mine has been like 40 minutes.
What?
My video has been like 40 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, I looked
But
back.
look at this shimmer, Brooklyn. Look at that.
That's really pretty.
Guys, look, I like adding. I really recommend this, Brooklyn.
Hey,
I added too
Kennedy,
much
do you
into
think
slime.
we act different on videos than we do in our normal life?
We act what?
Different? Do you think we do?
Yeah, I think we do. Oh, and talking about that, you guys didn't know this, but we're gonna try to film what we do like off camera. Like try to forget we're like filming.
Which is actually really easy for me if I'm like watching YouTube or talking to Kennedy. If I'm doing one of those
too, and
things,
I'm
I
kinda
usually
like
forget.
Roblox.
Yeah, then I usually forget.
Me too.
Oh, someone's coming to my door.
Hey, guys, the snowflakes don't want to get out. Get out, snowflakes. Get out.
Don't come in here. I told my mom not to come in here.
And the next ingredient, as you can tell, are snowflakes, and they're very crunchy and very stretchy and very clicky. Maybe our next video should be trying to forget we're recording.
Maybe, or it could be like a different video, but that is a really good video idea that I actually came up with.
Yeah, shout out to Brooklyn.
Oh, thank you. And I actually came up with that idea, but I don't know how good it is. Because the video is going to be like about an hour long. Because it might take us like a good 20 minutes to forget that we're recording.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just added the glitter into my slime, and now it's going everywhere.
Uh-oh, can I see your slime, Kennedy?
Let me just get this glitter in. This is the pink glitter. Okay, I'm adding that in. Oh, I just mixed it in, guys. Okay, wait away. Look at my slime. Adding too much into slime.
That's not that much.
I'm adding every single add-in I got from my advent calendar.
Are you adding like the full thing of every single thing you got?
Yeah.
Really? You're just gonna waste all your stuff?
Yeah, guys.
That's
Okay.
another reason to watch this video then, I guess.
Green glitter is next. I don't like the green glitter. My elf on the shelf actually got me this, to be honest. But I was looking it up because every time like I get a gift, I look it up. It's not because I want to know how much it was. It's just because, not like when it's from my birthday, but like when it's from like an elf or like.
To see if there's
Someone
another
else.
one, like in stock.
Yeah. Oh, and my birthday is coming up, guys.
Yay, so happy early birthday. If the comments are on, comment happy early birthday.
I'll probably be filming on my
like this video to say early happy birthday to Kennedy.
Yeah, and I'll be recording on my early
Oh my
birthday.
gosh, look. Look, I added a bunch of lotion and I made a bunch and look how stretchy it is.
Watch, but do you want to hear how flicky it is, Brooklyn, now that I added so much stuff in it?
I'm adding more foam balls too.
Do you hear that?
Wait, do it again. Oh, geez, that's really cookie.
My stuff. Oh wait, that's not all my stuff. I forgot. I have to add my Santa Claus charm.
Your Santa Claus charms. So what
Okay,
are you
now-
naming that slime?
Now I am done. Added everything into my slime.
What are you gonna name that slime?
I'm gonna name the day I added everything into my slime.
That's what you're naming it?
Yes, a beautiful one.
Oh,
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, and join the squad on Adopt.me/Roblox. Oh! And we'll see you next time, guys. Bye!
bye! Peace out.
Nope, I ended it before you
No!
said peace out.
We have this fight like every single video.
I know, right? Okay, we can stop adding so perfect now.
Did you literally add every single thing you had?
I actually did.
Oh, wow. Is there anything like you're not telling your YouTube?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I just thought of that question.
You're acting sus.
Sus for what?
How does it feel when you're recording?
I'm not.
You're acting sus.
If I was recording, I wouldn't be saying this. And I would be talking to my YouTube, wouldn't I?
But you're talking like how you when you record.
But I always talk like this.
We both have this tone when we record, like we act so perfect.
Do we? I don't realize it. Do I?
Like when I'm talking in front of a teacher or something.
Your tone. I know your tone. Do I have a tone?
Yes, you do.
I do? I don't even realize it.
Look at my
Am I
admin
like,
song.
hey guys? Oh, I see it. I hear it.
I know, like, it's about Brooklyn here.
And it's kind of like a little singing type voice thing.
Yeah, and when you're talking to your teacher, like, you're like acting so much, you're like, yeah, the answer is 10.
No, I don't. Not this year. Whenever I don't know an answer, I'm like 10. I'm like 10, and then I'll be like yes or no. Isn't it so embarrassing whenever a teacher tells you like no, that's not the correct answer?
Yes, I'm just like, hello, darkness, my old friend. It's more embarrassing when you are like on the virtual chat and they're like, okay, so at the end, type in the answer, and then you type in the wrong answer. They're like, okay, Sarah, Owen, Preston, you're all correct, but Kennedy, you're wrong, and you're like,
Because they say it out loud. Like, why can't you just keep it in the chat, lady? Keep it in the chat. Or like when you're on like a Google, well, I don't know really. But the thing is, in my mind, I'm gonna expose myself a little bit to you. Whenever I don't know a question, you know how I'm like really like silent, and then I'll be silent for like a couple of minutes.
yeah, why?
That's because in my head, I'm like, so this is that, that is that, no, this is that, I'm just gonna kind of guess. I don't know what to do. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? That's literally what I say in my head.
And then the teacher's gonna be like, okay.
And I'm like, okay, we're gonna move on while she's thinking about that. And it's so awkward. And then I try to get a piece of paper without anybody noticing, and I try to solve it. And it's awkward. Once I didn't know 8 times 7. And they're like, what is 8 times 7? And then,
And I hate, it scares me so much when you're on a Google Meet, and then they're like, if no one's gonna raise their hand, I'm gonna call in somebody random. I'm like, what if they call on me? What if they're calling me? What am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? What am I gonna say?
right? Right, though? Like, it's weird.
They're like, if no one raises your hand, I'm gonna call on somebody random. And then you start to freak out. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
You just cut out a little bit.
Yeah. Every time they call on me, I kind of like just like
Back out, like. Yeah, whenever they call on me, or like whenever we're doing how you feel or something like that, I don't, well, like, not really how you feel, but like, how it's like, okay, I'm gonna call on Brooklyn, and then I'll leave the meet, and
Me
then
too.
they'll call on somebody else, and I'll join back, say like, oh, my connection's bad, sorry.
That's what I do when they call on me. I'm like, okay, Chickadee, what? Okay, I'm like, no one raises their hand. I'm gonna call on somebody, and they're like, Kennedy. I'm like,
I know they always call on you whenever they say, oh, I'm gonna pick somebody random.
and then I'm just like, I just leave the meet, and then I turn back like, sorry, my internet cut it out. Cut out. Sorry.
What do they usually say? They say, oh, that's okay. I'm gonna call on somebody else, and then I'm like, yes. But I hate when but only sometimes, whenever they actually like you join back and you're like, oh, that's okay. What's the answer? I hate when they do that.
I leave the game like, oh, sorry, my internet cut out again.
Not the game. It's not a game. And then they'll be like, oh, that's okay. What? Can you please tell me the answer?
And then just leave the meet totally. And then join back like when there's 5 minutes left of class. Be like, sorry, my internet cut out.
Oh, sorry, I had to leave.
Yeah, my dad said I had to go pick up groceries.
Yeah. But Landon's always in the truck. Where's like Landon going? Oh, he's going to his dad's work, isn't he?
Yeah, and it gets annoying and he's like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna use my internet. Sorry, I'm gonna use my internet. Sorry, I'm gonna use my internet. They're like, we understand. Just shush it. We're like, we understand. Now just be quiet.
Yeah.
Because the teacher at random times be like, okay, I'm doing this, and the teacher's like, okay, Landon, can you be quiet?
Yeah, like, oh, I'm about to lose internet. Okay, Landon. And he, like, when we're in the middle of class, he just randomly unmutes his mic, like, hey, I gotta go. We're about to run out of internet.
And we're like, okay, Landon.
We're doing class. You don't have to say, well, he does kind of have to say that, so then the teacher knows to not give him a bad grade for not being on.
Well, he doesn't have to say it a million times. One time, the teacher's like, okay. No, like, 50 times, like, I'm gonna lose internet, I'm gonna lose internet, I'm gonna lose internet, I'm gonna lose internet.
And then he, like, doesn't lose internet, and then, like, 5 minutes later, oh, I'm about to lose internet.
And then you're like, wait, you're already off the meet. What the? Yeah, are you recording right now?
No.
What?
No.
Oh, when your computer charges, do you want to try to play Roblox?
Yeah, I'll try. And then maybe we can make, like, a YouTube video on it or something.
Hopefully it does work, because Roblox is
We need to have a serious conversation. Okay, a serious...
Can you go make things at 5 guys?
What are you doing?
I was hacking my computer. I'm going to hack it to Brooklyn's account.
What? No! You can look at my history.
Oh, yeah.
Who cares about my history?
If you were playing Roblox in class.
No, because that would be... How would I play Roblox in class?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
How would I play Roblox in class?
You would say, I
Do you mean
will play
online?
Roblox.
Online or in person?
You okay? I don't know.
Because in person, Roblox is blocked for the whole school.
Yeah.
It's sad, but yeah. I'm adding a lot of lotion into the slime.
I'm still obsessed with you that you're recording because you still have that voice on.
What do you mean? Girl, something's wrong with you.
And you never call me girl.
Yeah, I do. I always like, girl, what is wrong with you? I always do that.
You might cut it out every single time you must have did it because that's the first time I heard you do it.
Mm.
Are you going to see Roblox working?
Yeah, I haven't even put my laptop on the charger yet, though. I told you, I'm too lazy.
Well, the good thing is computers charge fast.
They do. They really do.
I need to clean up my mess. Okay, so let me just put my slime in a Ziploc bag. Okay.
Oh, and Kennedy, I'm still thinking about how you're saying I'm recording. Kennedy, if I was recording, why wouldn't I have stopped the video by now?
Because you did say you wanted. You did say.
It's already been like 2 hours since we've even recorded.
No, it's not. I said goodbye 8 minutes ago.
Well, I ended mine a while ago, remember?
True.
Like an hour ago.
I'm gonna clean up so you can come with me. And the baby, you're gonna say hi to the baby.
The baby.
The baby. My baby, not your baby.
He's your nephew,
I
not
bet
your
you
baby.
can't wait. I bet you can't wait to see the baby in person.
I know, right? Like, I haven't seen him yet.
Nobody has.
Well, yeah, really no.
Is the baby sleeping? The baby's sleeping.
Hey, Kennedy, you know how you're obsessed with me for some reason?
Yeah.
You should be, because I'm recording.
Did I have not said that? I didn't say anything personal because I knew you were recording.
Well, you never say anything personal anyway. That's basically how you normally act. So, okay guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Kennedy, you can watch this video if you want to see what I said off camera whenever I muted. Because remember whenever I said I'm going to tell the YouTube video I had to go because somebody's coming in the room and I don't want them to come in?
Uh-huh.
I actually was telling my YouTube video that I'm going to do this little challenge. So, yeah, no one was actually coming into the room.
Oh.
But when I actually said something like don't come in, then I was actually telling the truth.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. It's actually been 59 minutes and 20 seconds. So, guys, I'm going to end this video. So, guys, I hope you like this video. If you didn't, smash the like button and turn on notifications. Oh, if you want to. And turn on notifications to be notified every single time I post a video. And you won't miss one. And good. Bye, guys.
Peace out.
No, it's not peace out. It's peace.
Out.
No, not peace out. Not peace out.
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Bye, guys. Peace.